Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello, friends. As there is always a need of help in calculating the mathematics questions, I am here for the same. These are the questions of exercise 1.4 of rational numbers, Goel Brothers Prakashan. In this video, I am going to solve question number 1 to 4. So let's check it out how to solve them. In question number 1, we have to multiply the different rational numbers. So as in part 1, minus 3 by 6 is getting multiplied with 36 by 18. 3 would get cancelled with 18, that is 6, and 6 would cancelled with 36, that is 6 again. 6 and 6 would get cancelled, that is minus 1 is the answer. In the second option, minus 2 by 7 is getting multiplied by minus 21 by 15. So as to after cancellation, the answer is 2 by 5. In third part, 11 by 9 is getting multiplied with 12 by minus 132. After getting cancelled, answer would be 1 by minus 9. So that negative sign would be shifted to numerator. So the answer is minus 1 by 9. In the second question, here two groups of rational numbers are given. First of all, we will cancel the first group of rational numbers and then second group of rational numbers. Then we will after subtract the rational number. So minus 2 by 3 is getting multiplied by 6 by 8, minus 4 by 9 is getting multiplied by 3 by 2. After cancellation, minus 1 by 2 is the rational number, minus after cancellation of second group, 2 by 3 is the rational number. So we will subtract both these numbers, that is minus 3 minus 4 by 6, answer is minus 7 by 6. In the second part, first group, 11 by 12 is getting multiplied by 12 by 121, minus 6 by 5 is getting multiplied with 70 by 60. After cancellations, we are come out with 1 by 11 minus 7 by 5. After doing the LCM and multiplication stuff, we will come out with the answer 82 by 5. In part 3, we are given three groups of rational numbers. First of all, we will multiply all these three groups of rational numbers and then we will add and subtract that rational numbers. So first of all, 9 by 7 into minus 28 by 18 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 6 by minus 6 minus 4 by 19 into 38 by 16. So after cancellation, we are come out with the rational numbers minus 2 by 1 plus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2. After having the LCMs and dealing with the numerators, we are come out with minus 16 plus 3 minus 4 by 8, that is minus 16 minus 1 by 8, that is minus 17 by 8. Now in the fourth part, we have given minus 9 by 14 into minus 1 by 7 multiplied by minus 2 by 3. So first of all, we will open the bracket, that is minus 9 by 14 into minus 1 by 7 into minus 2 by 3. After doing the cancellation, within the bracket, we are come out with 3 by 49, which is getting cancelled with minus 2 by 3. The answer is minus 3 by 49. Now come to the fourth question. In question number 3, we have been given some fill in the blanks and that fill in the blanks will be filled with the help of properties of multiplication. In the first part, commutative property will be there. So according to the commutative property, any rational number can be added or multiplied in any order. So minus 17 by 5 into 13 by 8 equal to 13 by 8 into minus 17 by 5. In the second part also commutative property is there. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 9 by 14 equal to minus 9 by 14 into minus 5 by 8. In part third, minus 8 by 13 into 1 equal to minus 8 by 13. This is called the multiplicative identity, which means that any number or rational number, if multiplied with the 1, the answer would be that number only. Now fourth identity is zero identity. That means if anything is multiplied by 0, the answer would be the 0 only. And the fifth and sixth part, distributive property of multiplication over addition, is there. So minus 4 by 3 into within bracket 1 by 2 plus minus 7 by 5 bracket closed would be equal to minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 3 into minus 7 by 5. In the sixth part, minus 4 by 5 into whole bracket 5 by 7 into minus 8 by 9 would be equal to minus 4 by 5 into 5 by 7 into minus 8 by 9. So these were the question number 1 to 4 of exercise 1.4. In my next video, I will solve rest of the question of exercise 1.4. In fourth question, we have been given a distance covered in 1 hour and we have to find out distance covered in 2 whole number 1 by 4 hours. So 2 whole number 1 by 4 will be multiplied by 64. 2 whole number 1 by 4 will be changed as 9 by 4. 9 by 4 into 64 equal to 144 kilometer. Now we will do the third question.